Item 3.
Yes, Lordship.
Yes.
If this can be taken up on Thursday, or if possible next week, Lordship. The other council is also here.
Yes, I am for the respondent, yes.
No objection.
No objection.
Miss
Rosalind Elmar.
Rosalind L. Mar, Land Council for the appellant. Praise for listing this matter after a week, to which Mr.
J.H. Ramli Moya.
J.H. Ramena Awaya, Land Council for the respondent has no objection. Prayer allowed. List this matter after a week. Okay.
Obliged, Lordship.
May please, Your Worship, if I may be allowed to mention from part 2, item 1. Your Worship,
Item one.
in this, the paper book was furnished to the parties,
Yes, yes.
but the paper book does not contain Exhibit C1,
Okay.
which was, if Your Lordship will see the judgment of the trial court, if I may take Your Lordship to the judgment,
Yes.
at page 308 of the paper book.
Okay.
Exhibit C1 is mentioned there,
Okay.
and which is missing from the paper book.
Okay.
So that has to be included in the paper book, Your Worship.
Land Council, Mr. A.R. Malhotra. Mr. A.R. Malhotra, Land Council for the appellant, submitted. The paper book has been prepared. However, at page 308, Exhibit 1,
Exhibit C1.
okay, Exhibit C1, although it is mentioned in the paper book, however, the same is missing from the paper book,
Yes.
which needs to be
Included in the paper book.
included in the paper book. Who prepared the paper book?
The registry, Your Worship.
Okay, of course. At your expense?
Yes.
Okay. The registry shall do the needful for inclusion of the Exhibit
C1.
C1 in the paper book. Okay?
But I'm appearing for the respondent number 1 in this case.
Okay, okay, Land Council appear on behalf of the respondent number 1, and state is also there?
He
State
just-
is also there.
Okay. Okay. Yes, state, Miss so-and-so, huh? For the state. State is respondent number?
Sorry, Your Worship. State is respondent number 6.
6.
Deputy Commissioner.
Okay. And his name and the state respondent are also present, huh? Staff, huh? Okay. So, then after preparation, after inclusion of this Exhibit C1 only, it will be listed?
For hearing.
Okay.
Malot,
Listed.
if I have a simple prayer, Malot, since this paper which is missing contains only 5 to 7 pages, so if this matter may be expedited and we can have a hearing on this week also.
Okay, so this is Exhibit C1 consists of how many pages?
7.
5 to 7 pages.
Okay,
Malot.
then C1 would be consisting of 5 to 7 pages. Okay. The registry shall list this matter. Mr. A.R. Malhotra, Land Council for the appellant. You have to take steps for this.
It is already in the...
It is already there.
Yes, they have
It's in the
to
TCR.
include it in
Okay.
the paper book. It was missed out.
Okay. Registry shall do the needful at the earliest and place it before, place it for hearing. After 2 weeks.
Malot, that would be too much.
After a week.
Because I have been
After
getting,
a week.
I've been getting pressure from the respondent number
Okay.
1.
After a week.
After a week.
Next week, Malot.
Next week.
Yes.
Okay. Next
Next
week.
week.
Next week, will it be possible? Okay, next week is possible.
Next week.
Yes, yes. Next week, huh? Okay.
Obliged.
May I seek Your Lordship indulgence in mentioning part 2, item number 5, Lordship.
Yes.
Part 2, item number 5, WPC number 96 of 2023. Lordship, the leading counsel is out of station and submitted his leave of absence, so the matter can be kindly taken up after 2 weeks.
Who is for the respondent? Have you informed?
Yes, Lordship, I have taken
Yes,
the
Your
consent.
Lordship, I have been informed, yes.
Okay. Miss
Lero pare. Lal
Lal
Rupani,
Rupani,
yes,
Rupari, Land Council for the petitioner. Sorry, Land Council submitted, the leading council is out of the station, therefore pray for adjournment of the matter for a week, 2 weeks.
2 weeks, Lordship.
2 weeks, to which Ms. Sanso, Land Government Advocate, has no objection. Prayer allowed, list this matter after 2 weeks.
Deeply obliged.
For addition, item number 1.
My lord, in this matter is actually for disposal, my lord, for hearing. So, my lord, on the consent of both parties, my lord, if this matter, let it come up on 17th, my lord, next week, if it's possible.
17th? Okay. So pleadings are complete?
Yes, my lord.
Yes, yes. Mr.
Joseph L. Rentley, my lord.
Joseph Lachan,
Hima Rentley.
Rensley, Land Council for the petitioner. He Mr. Joseph Lal Rensley, Land Council for the petitioner. Also had Mr.
L.H. Liantrima, senior advocate L.H. Liantrima, my lord.
Okay.
Respondent number 1 to 5.
LH Lianwima, Land Senior Council. For respondent number
1 to 5.
1 to 5.
I'm for respondent 6, Lord.
Okay. Mr. Malhotra for respondent number 6. And who else?
That's all, my lord.
Okay. President. Also hard, huh? Sorry. Okay. It is submitted that the pleadings are ready and the matter may be fixed for hearing. Stop. Requested by the Land Council for the parties. Let this matter be listed on
17th, my lord? Next.
17th for hearing.
At the admission stage, my lord.
Yeah, admission hearing,
Admission stage. It's
admission
17th.
stage.
Yes.
Read petition, then admit and hearing, fixed for hearing.
No, my
Can't
lord,
be.
my lord, if it comes up at the admission stage, my lord, I think that will be better.
Okay,
part one.
okay, it will be able, able to be disposed of.
Yes, for
in the
disposal,
hearing,
we'll take it
or
up
admission stage.
at the admission stage itself. my
Okay,
lord.
admission hearing, okay.
Deeply obliged, my lord.
Item number 2.
Lordship, I am appearing through VC. I am counsel for the petitioner, Lordship. So, my Lord, in this matter, my friend contacted me that he is going to appear for respondent number 5 to 6. We have taken step as directed by the court on 24th February 2026, Lordship. I think they have filed Vakaladama today also.
So who appeared for the respondent?
My Lord, I'm filing my power for today for the respondent number 5 to 8.
Today,
Yes, my Lord.
okay. 5 to
5 to 8.
8. Okay. Mr. L. J.C. Lal Sungam. Lal Namsanga, Land Council for the petition. Mr.
Robert Laltlana. my
Okay, no, what about the other respondent you're for?
Your Lordship, I am appearing for the state respondents, which are respondent number 1 to 4, Your Lordship.
Okay, Miss
Lal Nundlui, Your Lordship.
Land Government Advocate appear for the respondent number 1 to 4. State respondent number 1 to 4. And Mr.
Robert Laltana.
Learned counsel would appear on behalf of the respondent number 5 to 8 and submits that he is filing a wakalatnama today. You want to file affidavit? State is also filing.
Yes, Your Lordship. If I may be granted another 2 weeks' time to file my affidavit
Okay,
of
then
position.
against our name, Ms. So-and-so, Learned government advocate appearing on behalf of the respondent number 1 to 4, prays for further 2 weeks' time to file affidavit in opposition. And Mr.
My lord,
So-and-so would
in the
appear
meantime, we join
on
the
behalf of the
kindly-
respondent number 5 to 8 and prays for some time to file wakalatnama and also to file affidavit in opposition.
Well, in the meantime, the joint affidavit may kindly be allowed to be filed by us.
Okay, Mr. On such affidavit being filed, the petitioner is also, may also file their rejoinder affidavit. Stop. List this matter after 2 weeks.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Much obliged, Your Lordship.
Item number 3.
Lordship, as per the office note dated 6/3/2026, the registry has tracked the postal consignment detail, and it seems the item, that is the parcel, was already received by the respondent number 1. So, sir,
Respondent number 1 is private respondent?
yes, it's a
Okay.
yes. And service is deemed to be complete, Lordship. They have already received the copy of the appeal.
Total, how many respondents?
There are
This is in respect of
three,
1.
three respondents. Only one is not represented yet.
Okay. So what is to be done today?
Lordship, at this stage, that the matter be listed again in next week or after a week for admission hearing, Lordship. Service, I believe service is deemed to be complete
Okay.
since they have already received the copy of the petition.
Miss,
H. Lamal Swami.
Learned counsel for the petitioner. The postal consignment tracking report shows that the notice was received, delivered to the respondent number 1 on 29/10/2025. However, no one appears on behalf of, okay. No one appears on behalf of the respondent number 1. Stop. The notice upon the respondent number 1 is deemed to be complete. Stop. Mr.
J. Srikilal Rothfela.
For
For
respondent number?
respondent number 2.
Okay, Learned counsel for the respondent number 2, and Miss
Vane Siami for
okay.
respondent number 3.
for the respondent number 3 are also present. Yeah? Respondent is 3 is pro forma.
Pro forma,
Yes,
yes.
Okay, but the respondent number 2 is present, and Miss So-and-so, and a government advocate represent the state respondent number 3, staff. Since the parties are represented, let this matter be listed next week for admission. Okay?
After a week, Lordship.
Hmm?
After a week.
After a week?
Yes.
Okay, after a week. Okay.
Obliged, my lord.
Obliged.
Item number 4.
My lord, this is an appeal for enhancement of the awarded amount.
It was not yet
compensation.
admitted.
Not yet admitted, my lord.
Admitted.
Service is not completed yet.
It was admitted.
Not yet,
Not yet.
my lord.
Service not yet complete.
Not yet complete, it seems.
Whether the record was called for?
No, that
Record
has
also
not been done
called
yet.
for.
Records will be recalled, my lord.
Hmm?
Records, trial court records will be
Okay.
required.
This is statutory appeal, can be admitted also.
It can be admitted, my lord.
Mhm.
1 and 3.
Mr. L.H. Diangrima, Lawrence Senior Counsel, assisted by Ms. Ruth Lal Ratfeli, Lawrence Counsel for the appellant, staff. This is an appeal filed under Section 173 of the Motor Vehicle Act 1988 against judgment and award dated 16/8/2025 passed by the learned member cum presiding officer MSCT Aizol in MSCT case number 4 of 2023 for enhancement of the compensation amount.
Yes, my lord.
Okay, stop. Notice was issued, however.
My lord, I'm for the respondent number 2.
Okay,
Notice was already received
okay,
for
They are insurance company, my lord.
okay. Mr.
Vanal Ranpuya
Lana Council.
for the respondent number 2.
Okay, for the respondent number 4. No, it's insurance would
Yes,
be,
yes, my lord.
1 and
Yes, the insurance, my lord.
2.
Yes, my lord.
Okay, respondent number 2, insurance company. Stop, huh? The notice upon the respondent number 1 is
owner
Dri-
of the vehicle.
who is 1?
Owner of the
Owner of the vehicle, and
Accident
then 3
vehicle.
is driver.
3 is driver must.
So the notice upon the respondent number 1
And 3
not yet received.
not yet received.
Okay. Okay, however, the appeal has not yet been admitted. Stop. Accordingly, this appeal is admitted for hearing. Stop. The office note dated. Would you like to take fresh steps or just await?
Maybe I waited, my lord.
Okay.
In fact, respondent number 1 and 3 are not very important in the present appeal.
Then if it is for enhancement, their
Enhancement,
presence is not required.
Yes, my lord. So insurance company.
We'll drop then.
We can drop them also. my
Okay,
lord.
Mr. National Council submitted, since the enhancement is, since the appeal for enhancement is against insurance company, the presence of the respondent number 1 and 3 may not be required for disposal of this appeal. Therefore, we pray for striking of the name of the respondent number 1 and 3 from the course title. Stop. Is prayed, comma. Is prayed for, the prayer is allowed, huh? Stop. Let the respondent number 1 and 3 be struck off from the course title of the memo of appeal. Stop. The registry shall do the needful. Okay. Stop. Huh? Call for, then,
TCR, my lord.
The trial court record would be necessary. According, call for the trial court record. Okay. List this matter after. List this matter for hearing after receipt of the trial court record. Okay.
My lord. I'm obliged.
Obliged.
Item number 5.
My lord, this is the first appeal, and as per the last order, the trial court record was called for,
Okay.
and it seems that the TCR also was also received by the registry. And my lord, let the appeal
Can
be
you
at,
fix for hearing?
not yet, my lord.
Not yet.
Yes, my lord.
Whether party appeared?
Yes, my lord.
Yeah,
Let-
for the respondent, my lord. Sole
Respondent.
respondent.
Sole respondent.
Yes.
Then can the trial court record, if we have received, then
My lord, let the
Paperbook need to be
paperbook may be prepared, then the matter may be fixed for hearing
Okay.
after preparation of the paperbook,
Okay.
my lord.
Mr.
F. Lelengiana.
Lelengiana, Land Council for the appellant. Also Miss
Bilal Ramnemi.
Land Council for the sole respondent. The trial court record has been received. Okay. So this is that direction. There is a stay order also.
My lord.
Okay. The registry is directed to prepare a paper book at the expense of the appellant
My lord.
and furnish the copy to the parties. Start. List this matter after preparing the preparation of the paper book
My lord.
for hearing.
My lord.
Okay.
Stay may also be
Okay,
continued, my
stop.
lord.
The interim order pass earlier shall continue till the next date of listing.
My lord.
Yes, okay.
Obliged, my lord.
For others, item number 6.
May I please, your lordship?
Yes.
My lord, in this case, I have taken the. There is only one respondent in this case, my lord. I have taken thus these steps earlier, my lord, and on the last occasion, my lord, this court had already held that the notice upon the sole respondent is accepted to be complete. And today also, my lord, none appears on behalf of the respondent. So this can be taken up for disposal on the next day, my lord. It may be taken up after 2 weeks, my lord.
What is this IA for?
I is for stay of the
Stay
proceeding.
granted? Stay granted?
Interim was granted, my lord.
There is interim also.
Yes, my lord. It can be disposed of this IA can be made absolute at this stage. To stay the proceeding of the money suit.
Okay.
The appeal is regarding challenging the ex parte order in the trial.
They are not appearing.
Till date, none appears, my lord, despite service is complete.
This is appeal against
Appeal by
against ex parte order passed.
Yes, my lord. Appeal by the
part-
defendant.
Can the party appeared can also be disposed of otherwise. They have received the notice.
Yes, my lord. If your lordship may kindly see the last order, my lord, of this court, 18/2/2026. In the main appeal FAO. 18/2/2026.
It's a complete.
Yes, my lord.
So probably sufficient time has been given to the respondent, it appears.
Yes, my lord.
So you want this matter be listed next week?
After 2 weeks, my lord. Next week, I'm having some personal difficulty. And at this stage, my lord, this IA can be disposed of. The interim can be made
No,
absolute.
the entire matter can be disposed of that way. The entire,
Yes, my lord.
including the first appeal.
In this case, my lord, before the Lana trial court, when the counsel for the defendant appellant appeared, the court already passed this impugned ex parte order. But they had made appearance on that day.
When you reached the court,
The impugned order was already there.
already passed.
Yes, my lord. The
It was,
counsel.
it was around 3:30.
Yes, my lord.
How far it is?
It's about 6 to 7 kilometers from the quarter of the district judge, my lord.
Okay.
It's about 6 to 7 kilometers.
Okay.
And-
On the same day, have you
Yes,
made
ma'am.
any application before the
On the following day, my lord, they have made the
following
application.
day? Not on the same
That-
day.
Not on the same day.
Be-
There was no time on the same day.
Okay.
And they have made this application for restoration of the ex parte on the following day. But that was also rejected.
Hmm.
The defendant applicant on his part had taken due diligence by engaging lawyer, executing vakalatnama, and the counsel had also prepared the written statement proposed to filed on that day.
You already filed written statement. by
Not
the
yet,
time.
not yet.
Not yet.
That was the first time after receiving someone
Okay.
that they're going to make appearance.
Okay. After not yet appeared.
Not yet appear.
Okay. How many time you have missed?
My lord, To be exact, my lord.
How many occasions?
Yes, my lord. The first order notice was issued on 13/2/2025, but on the next day, court was adjourned. And then on 24/4.
Can you list it tomorrow?
Yes,
Or
my lord.
day after tomorrow? Day after tomorrow is Wednesday, okay?
Tomorrow also, my lord.
Tomorrow? Okay, let me just go through. Okay.
Yes, my lord.
It is prayed for by the Land Council for the appellant. Sorry. Land Council, Mr. So-and-so, Land Council for the appellant is present. No one appears on behalf of the respondent. Despite. So notice was received.
Yes, my lord.
Despite of receipt of the notice. In view of the above, and as prayed for by the Land Council for the appellant, let this matter be listed again tomorrow. Okay.
In the IA, my lord, the interim may be continued for a while.
The interim order passed earlier shall continue.
In the IA.
In IA, Heard Mr. So-and-so. None appears on behalf of the respondent. Okay. List this matter tomorrow. Write the date. The interim order passed earlier shall continue. Till then. Okay.
Deeply obliged.
Item number 7.
Your Lordship, this is an application for continuation of delay, and we have received the affidavit in opposition. However, Your Lordship, if I may be given some time to go through the affidavit and to hear the matter on a later date.
How many delay? How many days?
102 days. 102.
You have any objection?
The affidavit
Delay
has
in
been
filing what?
RFA.
RFA. You have any objection?
We have already.
Affidavit has been filed, Your Lordship.
You have filed objection?
Yes, my lord. And for respondent number
Private respondent?
Private. Your Lordship, for the state respondents, we have no objection, Your Lordship.
No objection. What is your submission you said?
Your Lordship, if I may be given some time to go through the contents of the affidavit in opposition.
Affidavit in opposition?
Yes.
What is there? On what ground we have objected? It's only 102 days. Ultimately, it has to be disposed of on merit. Isn't it? You are challenging what order? In the RFA?
Order passed by the senior civil judge regarding ownership of an LSC. Ownership of land, Your Lordship.
What is the ground for your? Where have you explained the ground for delay?
Lordship, the grounds for delay has been enumerated in paragraph number 3 onwards, Your Lordship. 3 sub number 1, 2, 3, 4, and 4, 5, and 6. Page number 4 of the application.
there are some grounds. What is the ground for your objection? That not properly explained.
Yes, Your Lordship, it has been enumerated that the delay has not been properly explained.
Mr.
Jonathan Larintluanga.
Land Counsel for the petitioner. Also heard Miss. Okay. Land Counsel. Who is first? Okay. You are for respondent number?
Number one.
One.
Yes.
Okay. Land Counsel for the respondent number one. And what about the 2, 3, 4?
They are the state respondents, Your Lordship.
2 also?
No, from 5 to
5 to 7, Your Lordship.
Okay. You are 1 to 4. 1 to 4.
1.
Only one, my lord.
Only 1. And what about these 2, 3, and 4?
They have not been represented, Your Lordship.
Have you
Yes, notice has
taken
been
steps?
completed.
Notice served?
Yes, Your Lordship.
They appeared earlier.
No.
What is the report? Office note?
Your Lordship, the respondent number 2 is the husband of the respondent number 1. And respondent number 3 and 4 were not interested parties even in the civil suit.
They did not participate.
Not so much, Your Lordship.
Means, not so much means.
They had filed their written objections, but they are not adversely affected
Thereafter,
by.
they did not appear.
They are not adversely affected by the judgment and order.
Okay. And then this judgment in the order is a.
It is mainly between the appellant and the respondent number 1.
Okay, declaratory suit. You are in the advantage position. Let it decide on merit. Delay may be condoned. Or what?
They don't have sufficient reasons for their delay, my lord. That is our submission.
What happened thereafter after the judgment? The number 3 is directed to return. We'll see whether returned. Not yet. Have you returned? No. Within 3 months, it was directed to return within 3 months. Return the LSC number so and so to the plaintiff. Okay, then respondent number 2 and 3 is also not appearing. So you want to go through. When do we fix them?
As per the court's convenience, Your Lordship.
Court's convenience is today.
Either within this week or next week, Your Lordship, as per.
Next week.
On Friday also, if it may be taken up.
So 2 and 3 are not seriously affected, 3 and 4. 2,
No, Your
3 and 4.
Two is the husband of the respondent number
Husband,
one.
and 3 and 4?
3 and 4 are not adversely affected, Your Lordship. Because it deals with some borrowing of money, and we had paid, the appellants had paid the money to the respondent number 3. And however, the transfer of property by paying the money to the respondent number 3 was declared invalid. And it was originally in the name of the respondent number 1. Property was
Yes,
originally,
but then
and the money has been received by the
you
respondent
have
number.
done everything so quickly,
Uh.
it was difficult to change you also, it appears. Anyway, so Mr.
Jonathan Laurentlo.
Planning Counsel for the petitioner submitted, he has received the objection filed by the respondent number 1 and prays for some time to go through the same. He is prayed for, Miss.
Ruth
Ruth
Lagwat
Alwat
Pele.
Feli.
Ruth Lal Wetfeli, Land Council for the respondent number 1. Two, 3, and 4 not received. One, had, Ruth, Lal Ruth Feli, Lal Ruth Feli, and Council for respondent number 2. And Miss Land Council, Government Advocate, Learned Government Advocate for the respondent number.
5 to 7.
6, and 7, Your Lordship.
Now then, you also come prepare. Can we fix day after tomorrow?
Day after tomorrow is Wednesday, DB.
Hmm?
DB matters will be taken up on Wednesday.
Okay, then on Thursday?
No problem, Your Lordship.
Okay, Thursday. Is prayer is prayed for by the Land Council for the petitioner. Let this matter be listed on Thursday. Okay.
Obliged.
Item number 8.
My lord, we have taken steps for notice to the respondent on 16/1/2025. However, service notice is still awaited. So, my lord, if I may be allowed to take fresh steps by way of Dusty,
In IA,
both,
what
my
is this
lord,
IA
both.
for?
For condemnation of delay of 8 days, my lord.
No one appeared for the respondent.
My lord, the notice service is still awaited. So, if I may be
How many
allowed,
respondents are there?
one respondent,
Sole respondent.
my lord. So, if I may be allowed to take fresh steps by way of Dusty.
Miss
Violet Hamwani.
Vanlet Lamwani,
My lord.
Land Council for the applicant submitted, although she has taken steps upon the respondent, as all respondents, the same is still awaited. Therefore, she prays for allowing her to take fresh steps upon the sole respondent. Stop. The prayer is allowed. fresh step by what way?
By way of Dusty mode, my lord.
Okay. Fresh- Allowing her to take fresh steps upon the respondent, the sole respondent by way of dusty mode. The prayer is allowed. Stop, huh? Steps upon the respondent by dusty mode, huh? That by dusty service to be routed through the to the registry within how many days? 1 week.
1 week, my lord.
Within a week from today, stop, huh? And file affidavit to that effect. Okay, list this matter after 2 weeks.
My lord.
Okay.
Item number 9 and 10.
My lord, this is an application for condonation of delay of 596 days in filing the connected criminal appeal, my lord.
Okay.
I, along with the other 24 convicted persons, were convicted and sentenced by the trial court, and most of the other convicted persons, they had filed their appeal. And the reason why I belatedly file is that the sufficient cause for the delay is mentioned in para number 3, my lord. And the main reason is that, your lordship, although I regularly attended the trial court, I was allowed, the other convicted persons were also allowed by the trial court to dispense with our appearance. Because when prosecution evidence witnesses were examined, we were allowed not to attend the court. And thereafter, my lord, after I last attended the court on 4/4/2024, I went back to my hometown, that is in Guwahati. And thereafter, I lost my mobile phone. I could not contact my defense lawyer, and defense counsel also could not contacted me. And suddenly there was a pronouncement of the judgment.
In your absence?
In my absence, because I didn't receive any
Conviction of how?
1 year, your lordship.
1 year. Sentence
Yes.
under for
So
offense?
sentence under, this is corruption case.
Okay.
So thereafter, your lordship, there was no issuance of any summons or warrant of arrest at that particular time before pronouncement of the conviction order and the sentence.
Now, are you in the jail or?
Now I'm in jail. So, your lordship, suddenly I was arrested by the CBI official from Shillong on 17 January this year.
How long you have been there?
From 19th of January this year.
January this
Yes, because I was arrested, surprisingly arrested, because I didn't know any standing warrant of arrest as well. So I was arrested by the CBI official from Shillong, and I was brought to the trial court on 19 January this year. And from that particular date, I
So,
have been detained.
delay, you have objection?
Yes, objection, my lord. I may be given some more time for filing my objection.
It's an appeal. You want to file objection?
Will be filing, my lord, if I may be granted some more time to file my objection.
Okay.
My lord, my humble prayer is that at least my learned friend may also understand my prayer, because now the applicant is
You have to convince.
yes, applicant is in, my lord, now her condition is not good, because she has to,
She's lady.
she's a lady, and now one minor daughter is with her, because they cannot be
My
separated.
lord, the delay is 596 days.
But it is well explained, your lordship. So at least 1 week's time may be returnable notice, my lord, at least 1 week time.
That means 1.5 year,
Yes,
almost.
my lord, almost.
So she thought that she is safe. She will escape. Ultimately caught. So what to do?
At least 1 week, your lordship.
You want
So
to file objection?
My
Seriously?
lord, at least 2 weeks may be given because
my lord, the learned CG, she is here. She is stationed here only. So at least 1 week, your lordship.
1 week, take 1 week then, because she is inside. And then the
One
the
minor
sentence
gu-
is for 1 year only. And if you, the more the delay, she will be loser. Is it? Okay.
All other convicted persons are also on bail, my lord.
They are on
yes,
bail?
Yes, suspension of the sentence done by this honorable court.
Mhm.
Now, the another IA is
Okay, you file in 1 week. Okay, within a week. Okay. But where you said you have explained that.
my lord, para page 4 of my application. IA.
H.
Para 3.
para 3.
Yes.
Okay.
It starts from sub-para 1.
Anyway, if she wants to file objection.
Yes, my lord.
Because the delay is, of course.
Yes.
This seems a little bit inordinate. Delay, huh? That is why. Heard, Mr.
B. Lalram Mega.
B. Lal Ramenga, Lana Counsel for the appellant. Also heard Miss Jairam Sumpoi. Lana CJC.
My lord, in this case, I am representing as a private counsel.
Okay, private counsel.
Yes. Zairim Sangpui.
The private counsel,
Counsel for CBI,
oh, counsel, okay, Lana Counsel, standing counsel for CBI.
not standing counsel.
No, the
They
standing,
engage
Land
me.
Counsel for the CBI, huh? Land Counsel appearing on behalf of the respondent.
CBI. Only sole
CBI,
respondent.
okay, okay, sole respondent, CBI. Who prays for, who submits that she, who submits that she would like to file objection and for which we prays for 1 week, time. The prayer is allowed. List is matter again after a week. Okay?
Highly obliged, my lord.
Obliged.
Item number 11.
May I please, your lordship?
Yes.
Yes, lordship, this IA is for condonation of 29 days, as allowed by this court's order dated 17/2/2026, passed in my substitution application.
Allowed by?
By this honorable court order dated 17/2/2026, passed
Allowed
in
for
my
what?
substitution application. I
Okay,
have one
substitution,
substitution
okay.
application, lordship.
This IA 16 is for condonation.
Yes, lordship.
Okay, can be condoned?
We have no
Okay.
objection, your lordship.
Hard, Miss.
Lero pare.
Hmm?
Lero pare.
Your name is there?
Yes, lordship. Pari. LALROPARI.
Okay. And why? Pachao. Then a counsel for the applicant. Also had Miss,
Valsamani for respondent 1 and 2.
okay. Name right, huh? For respondent number 1 and 2. And Miss,
Lalmudui for respondent number 5 to 7, your lordship.
for respondent number 5 to 7. Stop, huh? Para. This is an application filed under Section 5 of the Limitation Act 1963 for condonation of 29 days delay in filing the substitution application for the respondent number 2 on his death by his son. The substitution application, huh? Okay. Start, para. It is submitted that during the pendency of the appeal, the respondent number 2 expired. So where have you explained the delay?
The delay for explanation is from page number 4, para number 2, sub number 1, 2, 3 to 5, Lordship. Because belatedly it has come to our knowledge that the
However, this
respondent number
fact
2.
was not known to the applicant, appellant. As the applicant stopped all forms of communication, relationship from the respondents after her divorce from the respondent number 1. Start, huh? And and the date of the respondent number 2 came to the knowledge of the applicant only after his demise was intimated to the council of the to our council on 2/2/2026. Start. Para. The ground for delay has been further explained in para 2, 3, 4, and 5 of the application. Start. Para. The Learned Counsel for, so just a minute, upon hearing the Learned Counsel for the petitioner and on perusal of the ground stated in the above paragraphs, this court is satisfied that the applicant has been able to show a sufficient cause for not filing the connected appeal on time. Not appeal, substitution petition on time. Stop. Moreover, the counsel appearing on behalf of the respondent has no objection. In view of the above, this application is allowed. The delay of 29 days in filing the substitution petition is allowed. With the above, this IS stands allowed and disposed of. Stop. Then in substitution, okay, hardness.
Narrow pare.
And then both also, huh? Okay.
Substitution of respondent number 2 by his son, respondent number 1.
Okay. The Learned Counsel for the applicant submits that during the pendency of the appeal, the respondent number 2, that is Sri Byak Crown Sangha,
yes,
within bracket, Pasuia, P-A-S-U-I-A, bracket close, passed away. When he passed away?
On 4/9/2023.
On 4/9?
2023.
2023. Stop. Para. By filing this application under Order 22, Rule 4, read with Section 151 of the Code of Civil Procedure, 1908, the petitioner seeks substitution of the respondent number 2, that is Sri Byak Crown Sangha, who passed away, by his son, Sri H. Thangliana, in RFA number 29/2021. So the prayer made by the counsel for the applicant has not been objected. Accordingly, the prayer is allowed. Stop. Let Mr. Thangliana, Mr. H. Thangliana be substituted in place of the respondent number 2, Sri Byakram Sangha in RFA number 29/2021. Stop. With the above, this IES stands allowed and disposed of. Okay. And in the main, add Miss So-and-so and both also, in view of the order passed today in IAC 29/2026 in RFA 2026, the respondent number 2, his name again, is substituted by his his son, Sri
H. Thangliana.
H. Thangliana. Respondent number, he would be respondent number?
1. He is the instant respondent number 1.
No, so, but, he will be numbered as respondent number?
No, Lordship, he is still the respondent number 1. Respondent number 2 is the father who passed away. So he will
Okay,
be
then you have to
substituted.
change.
Yes, I
No,
will.
in that case, no, in the, then entire, inside also, his name must be mentioned, probably.
No, Lordship, I believe that
Okay.
I just have to
Okay,
change the
then,
course title.
The appellant shall file amended course title, okay?
Yes, Lordship.
Amend this course title by including the Mr. So-and-so as respondent in place of the respondent number 2. No, respondent number 2 only.
Yes, Lordship, respondent number 2 passed away, so he will be substituted by respondent number 1, who is the surviving son. Respondent number 1.
Son is respondent number 1
Yes, Lordship.
already.
Yes, Lordship.
Okay. Then the respondent number 2's name will be struck up only in that case. Son and the father
Yes, Lordship.
is respondent otherwise in
Yes,
RFI.
Lordship.
So
Yes,
the
Lordship.
father expired.
Yes, Lordship.
So now son remains.
Yes, Lordship.
So no need to replace the father by son. Since son is already there,
Yes.
isn't it? Or with whether the son need to represent the father also? Is there any separate property, separate share?
No,
Unless there
Lordship.
is a separate share, if it is the same property,
Same
what is
property.
this dispute is
The
about?
dispute is that, Lordship, we have passed, we are aggrieved of the judgment and order 23/4/2021, in which we have bought the land, and that the respondent number 1 and the appellant built
Or
a
in
house
the name
together.
of father as well as,
Yes,
as
Lordship.
by son
Yes.
separately?
Yes, Lordship.
Then in that case,
Yes,
he need to
Lordship.
be replaced. Okay. Then, okay, by improving. Okay. Allowed by improving. You file then substitution, this one, sorry, amended course title.
Yes,
okay.
Lordship.
Amended course title. Okay, then this will be listed for, this is at what stage?
At a hearing stage, Lordship.
At hearing stage?
Yes, Lordship. At mentioning.
list this matter after 2 weeks.
Yes, Lordship.
You'll be able to do within a week.
Yes, Lordship.
Okay, list this matter after 2 weeks. Okay.
Deeply obliged.
Anyone for hearing?
This is item? This was item?
I think number 11. The last-
11.
Yes, Lordship.
Okay. It's done. Okay. Done the other one.
Lordship, regarding part 2, my lord, part 2, item 4. If this may be taken up after 1 week, my lord.
Which one?
Item 4, part 2.
Item 4.
Part 2 hearing, lordship.
When do you want, you said?
After a week, my lord.
After a week.
My lord.
Mr.?
C. Joram Sandar, the respondent, my lord. The respondent, my lord.
LH Lian Rima? No, no.
No, my lord.
Sorry.
Respondent number 6.
You are for respondent?
My lord, my lord.
Okay. Have you informed the appellant?
Yes, we've informed, but he's not here now, my lord.
Telephonically informed?
My lord.
Okay, Mr. C. Joram Chana, Land Council for the respondent number 6, with the consent of the Land Council for the appellant, prays for listing this matter after a week. Prayer aloud, list this matter after a week.
Obliged, lord.
Okay.